Hello everyone, this is Naga. Today I would like to discuss on how to install Python on Windows 10. So let's get started. How to install Python on Windows 10. So we can get the latest version of Python software from Python website, which is python.org. So let us route to the website. So we are here. So you can get the latest version either from the download tab or here. And the latest version as of today is 3.8.4. So let's download the latest version. Yeah, you can click this download Python button. Yeah, it's getting downloaded. Yeah, this is ready. So let's install Python. Okay, I want to discuss on one point. So by default, the installation path would be C, users, your login, app data, local programs, and Python version. If you want to have a custom folder, you can choose by custom installation. And do remember to add Python 3.8 to the path. This is very much important because you want Python command to be recognized in the command line. Okay, so I would go by default path. You can select yes. So this is getting installed. While this is installing, one thing guys, so Python is an open source software. So even for commercial purpose, this is free for usage. So we need not worry about any building or anything. Python is open source. Let me pause the recording for some time until this installation is completed. Yes, this is getting installed now. Yes guys, this is getting installed. It is installing the pip commands. So now this is adding to the path and the installation is successful. So we will be getting one warning. So you can just select that and disable that warning. It's for the max path and you can close this. Now open the command prompt and you just wanted to ensure like Python is installed or not. So we'll type Python version. So if you're seeing this message like Python version, so Python is installed and even the path is got added to the environment variable. So if the path is not added here, you would not see this version number. So what you need to do is like you need to go to your computer properties, advanced settings, environment variables, and path. Here you would edit and add the Python path here. So this is the Python path which we are adding here. So you need to make sure both the Python folder and script folder are added to the environment variables. Once this is done, we are done with Python installation. Okay, so we are done with the download software, we are done with the installation, we are done with the adding path to the environment variable, we are done with checking version. Now let's do a print command using Python. So you Python. So this is the Python ID, Python console, print hello. Here we go. You can exit this one. Yes, we are done with Python installation. So what next? So in my next session, I will be discussing on how to install IDEs for using Python. So we have three different IDEs. You can choose whatever you want. One is PyCharm, other is Jupyter Notebook, and other thing is Anaconda, which I prefer, which is a bundle where you'd get all the engines like PyCharm and Jupyter engine would be embedded within Anaconda. So I would be taking these three different sessions for showing you how to install each one of it and how to run a Hello World or basic Python program. Thank you guys.